Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can sign out off of your AOL mail on your PC. It is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video to the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the videos. So if you are watching this video, which is on how to sign out on AOL mail, I'm guessing you have already made an account and already are signed in into your account. But if not, then make sure to go ahead and watch my old videos, which basically shows how to sign up and log in into your AOL mail. But in this case, you want to go ahead and log out of your AOL mail. So what you want to do is simply on the main home page, you want to simply go ahead onto the home page of your AOL mail. Basically, there's going to be a logout button on the top right of your screen, just like this, and just go ahead and click on the logout button, and there you go. It will tell you, are you sure you want to sign out? And I'm gonna say yes, I'm going to sign out. And there you go, my account is going to be signed out off of the AOL network or AOL mail. So it was as simple as that. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.